In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream Netflix on Discord step by step, so you can watch your favorite movies or shows with friends in just a few minutes. This is a super simple setup, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to get Netflix playing inside Discord on your PC without getting stuck on the settings. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Netflix in Chrome, Edge, or another browser on your computer. Netflix usually works best in a desktop browser, so this is the easiest way to get it ready for streaming. Next, open the movie or show you want to watch. Make sure it is loaded and ready to play before you move over to Discord, because that makes the sharing process smoother. Once Netflix is ready, open Discord on your PC. If Discord is already open, go ahead and switch to the app. Before you start streaming, there is one very important setting you should change. Go to Discord Settings, then click Advanced and turn off Hardware Acceleration. After that, relaunch Discord when prompted. This step can help prevent black screens or streaming issues, which is especially important when sharing protected content like Netflix. Now that Discord is restarted, join a voice channel in your Discord server. You need to be in a voice channel before you can start a stream, so pick the server and channel you want to use. Once you are inside the voice channel, look near the bottom left of Discord and click the screen icon. This is the button that lets you share your screen or a specific app window with other people in the channel. When the sharing window appears, select the browser window that is playing Netflix. Make sure you choose the correct window, not the Discord app itself or any other tab. This is important so viewers see the Netflix playback instead of a blank screen. After selecting the browser window, choose your stream quality. If you have a better internet connection and want smoother viewing, you can pick a higher quality option. Then click Go Live to start the stream. Discord will begin broadcasting the browser window to everyone in the voice channel who has permission to watch. Once the stream is live, ask your viewers if they can see and hear everything properly. This quick check is important because it helps you catch any problems right away, like audio issues, low quality, or a black screen. If something looks off, you can stop and adjust your settings before continuing the movie. And that's it. You've now learned how to stream Netflix on Discord using your browser and Discord screen sharing tools. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and share it with someone who wants an easy way to watch Netflix together on Discord. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.